Hi everyone, and welcome back. The subject is business data analytics. Today we are going to study the tools for data analytics, and we will restrict our study to 3 areas. That is data cleaning tools, data management, and data visualization. There are 3 areas where you are required to study under the subtopic tools for data analytics. I repeat, number 1, data cleaning tools, number 2, data management, and number 3, data visualization. Today we'll focus on data cleaning. Data cleaning. And before we consider the tools in data cleaning, we will first define data cleaning. Data cleaning. What is data cleaning? Data cleaning, also referred to as data cleansing, is also referred to as data cleansing, is the process of identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, and inaccuracies in raw data. And the purpose is to improve its quality and usability for analysis. So it is the process of removing, 1, errors. Removing errors. It may also involve doing away with inconsistencies. Sometimes it could be dealing with the missing figures, missing information, where data is not complete. There could be a process of completing it. That still falls under data cleaning. It may also involve doing away with inaccuracies. So data cleaning is the process of identifying and correcting errors, inconsistencies, inaccuracies in raw data. And the objective of doing all this is to improve the quality and usability of data. Okay? And candidates, this is an essential step in data pre-processing. It is an essential step in data pre-processing. Before data is processed, pre means prior. Before data is processed, then it's important to have it cleaned. All right? It is a very important, essential step in data pre-processing, which involves transforming the raw data into a clean, structured format that is suitable for analysis. And candidates, in data cleaning, there are various steps. There are various steps when it comes to cleaning data. And one step is data auditing. Data auditing. Data auditing. What is data auditing? Data auditing, candidates, is one of the important steps in data cleaning, which involves reviewing the data for completeness. Reviewing the data for completeness. Reviewing the data for completeness. Reviewing the data for accuracy. Reviewing the data for consistency. And identifying any missing or any duplicate or invalid data. So when auditing data, candidates, I repeat, then the processes that take place involve checking data for completeness. completeness. Is the data complete? Does the data have all the required components? Is it complete? Or are there any missing values? Identifying, it may involve identifying missing information. Identifying missing information. It may also involve checking out if there are any duplicates. You may have data that is duplicated. You may have data even in triplicate. So in auditing, then that is what happens. You check if the data is in duplicate, if the data is repeated, if the data is in triplicate, and ensuring that data is also valid. You check also for invalid data. That's data auditing. Then there is data cleaning. Cleaning data. Cleaning data, candidates, involves correcting errors. It may involve removing duplicates. Of course, here remember it is identifying if there is any duplicate, identifying if the data is incomplete, identifying if the data is invalid. Then the second step is to remove the duplicates, all right, to fill in the missing values. That is now cleaning. When you clean, you fill in the missing values, you remove the duplicated files, and you may do this using various techniques, all right, such as interpolation, such as interpolation. You may use techniques like the one we call imputation and so on. Cleaning data. Then step number 3 is data transformation. Data transformation. Now, data transformation involves converting data into suitable format for analysis, such as normalizing, standardizing, and also encoding, and so on. Encoding of categorical variables and so on. So data transformation is converting the data into format that is required or that is good for analysis. Data transformation. Then lastly, you do what we call data verification. Data verification is yet another step in data cleaning. Data verification involves checking the clean data and the transformed data to ensure that it meets the desired quality standards and suitable for analysis. So data here is cleaned, then data is transformed. Then the last step, you check, you verify if the data that has been cleaned and the data that has been transformed meets the standards that are required for analysis. You verify. Because every organization has a standard. Every organization needs to have a desired quality standards for data before the data is analyzed. So when data is collected, it is cleaned, it is transformed. Then the data that is cleaned and transformed should be verified by checking that data against the standard, against the desired quality standards. And the purpose is to check if such data is suitable for analysis. So candidates, the objective, the purpose, the aim of cleaning data, candidates, the aim, the purpose of cleaning data, the goal of cleaning data is to ensure that the data used for analysis is accurate, number 1, is reliable, number 2, is consistent, which helps to reduce the risk of errors and biases in the results. And it is iterative, that the process. It is an iterative process. Candidates, it is an iterative process that may require multiple rounds of cleaning and verification to achieve the desired level of data quality. That means after carrying out the first round of auditing, of cleaning, of transformation and verification, that data that is verified at the end here may not be the one, may not be meeting the desired quality standard. And therefore, such data may be subjected to the same process again until the data achieves the desired level of quality. So that's the meaning of data cleaning. And finally, I've said the goal of data cleaning is to ensure that data that is used for analysis is accurate, is reliable, and is also consistent, which helps to reduce the risk of errors and biases in the results. Because we know, candidates, the principle garbage in, garbage out. If you have inputting data in a system that it has errors, that has inconsistencies, that has missing information, that has inaccuracies, and such data may not give the right or the intended results. That's why it has to be subjected to the cleaning process, the data cleaning process. And that takes us to the next question. What are the tools for cleaning data? The data cleaning tools. Data cleaning tools. We are now going to study the data cleaning tools. Data cleaning tools. Data cleaning tools. Data cleaning tools. There are many tools that may be used in cleaning data. There are many tools. The syllabus allows us to look at, the syllabus mentions 3. One is Alteryx. The other one is SSIS. Then there is the data stage. These are the tools mentioned in the business data analytics subject: Alteryx, SIS, and the data stage. Now let's begin with the Alteryx tool. Now Alteryx, candidates, is a software company that deals or provides a platform for data preparation, blending, and analysis. The company has a platform that is designed to help users prepare and analyze data using what we call a drag and drop interface. Drag and drop interface. The drag and what? The drag and drop interface without requiring any coding. So this platform, the Alteryx platform, allows users to connect to various data sources, including databases, cloud applications, and spreadsheets. So users can then use Alteryx drag and drop interface to transform and clean data. They can also use it to join multiple databases or data sets and then create analytical models. This platform, candidates, also offers a range of analytical tools. It offers predictive modeling capabilities that enable users to create complex analytical workflows. The tool or the platform can also be used to build predictive models and also perform data mining tasks. So generally, candidates, the Alteryx platform, I can say, is designed to make it easier for non-technical users to work with data and perform sophisticated data analysis tasks without requiring significant programming skills. So this is one of the data cleaning tools available, especially to those who are not well conversant with programming skills. It uses a drag and drop interface, and we've seen it performs various tasks other than just data cleaning tasks. This can be used to offer analytical tools. It can offer predictive modeling capabilities so that users can create complex analytical workflows and so on. Alteryx. Then there is the SSIS. Now the C's this first S stands for SQL, which means structured query language. The second S stands for server. I stands for integration, and S, services. So this is the SQL Server Integration Services. It is a data integration tool that is developed by Microsoft. This one is developed by Microsoft, and it is a component of the Microsoft SQL Server database software that is used to perform a wide range of data integration tasks. All right? Including data extraction, transformation, loading, and so on. So with the C's, users can create packages that can extract data from a variety of sources. They can transform the data to meet specific requirements and then load the data into a target destination. It's a very important tool that supports various data sources, including the SQL Server, the Oracle. It can support Excel, the flat files, and much more. There's a lot we can say about C's, like the fact that it includes graphical user interface that allows users to design and manage what we call the ETL, which is used in loading. All right? And candidates, I can say it is also very useful in data warehousing and business intelligence applications, where data must be integrated from multiple sources into a single data warehouse or a data mart. Integration. That's why you see here it may be very important when it comes to, say, transformation of data. Data transformation. After data is cleaned, then the C's can be used to transform the data. It has the capacity of transforming data. It has the capacity of offering a wide range of services or operations that can be essential in data cleaning. It can be used to migrate projects. It can be used in data migration projects where the data needs to be transferred from one system to the other in the process of cleaning data. Because remember here we said that data cleaning involves identifying missing information or inaccuracies. So the C's can be used to get information from various sources of databases to integrate or to clean data to fit in the missing information or figures or inaccuracies in the raw data. That is the SPSS, which is a Microsoft tool developed by Microsoft. I've said it stands for SQL Server Integration Service. Then lastly, we can discuss the data stage. The data stage is developed by the IBM company. It's an IBM company tool, which is an ETL tool. This is an ETL tool. It is an ETL tool. That means extract, transform, and load. Extract, transform, load tool developed by IBM. It's used for data integration and transformation. It's used for data transformation. You will recall the fourth stage in data cleaning is transformation. So when transforming data, this software can be used in doing that. Integration and transformation of large volumes of data. And that it does from various sources. All right? The data stage software can extract, it can transform, and then load data from different databases, from different sources, and then target the information into a certain source. Like say a data warehouse or a data mart. So the data stage provides a graphical interface for designing and running ETL jobs, which consist of a series of stages that extract data from sources, transform it into needed, and then load it into the target system. Do you understand, candidates? This is a software that can extract. ETL means extract. Can extract data, can mine data from different sources. Then transform it as needed, and then load it into a target system like a warehouse, data warehouse. And candidates, the data stage tool is capable of handling complex data integration scenarios. And it can handle various types of data, including structured data, semi-structured data, unstructured data, and so on. And just like the SPSS software, the data stage tool can support a wide range of data sources, such as databases, mainframes, flat files, and so on. So that's what we can say about data stage. There are many other functions that this software can perform, like job designs, the metadata management, the data profiling. It can also do parallel processing. It can carry out jobs like scheduling, job scheduling, and it has inbuilt transformation stages, all right, like filtering, the lookup, the aggregator. It can support custom transformation as well, and many more functions. And in conclusion, candidates, as far as data stage is concerned, I can say the data stage is a powerful tool for managing complexities of data integration and transformation. It can transform data, large volumes of data, into valuable insights for business. So that's all for today, where we've studied data cleaning, which we said is also known as data cleansing. We've defined data cleaning. We've identified or described the steps in data cleaning, which involve data auditing, data cleaning, data transformation, and data verification. Then we've highlighted 3 data cleaning tools. The Alteryx, which is a tool that is developed by a company, Alteryx. There is the SEAS tool, which is developed by Microsoft. Then there is DataStage, developed by IBM. Thank you for attending today's lesson. But before we close the lesson, I need to refer you to the December 2022 paper, Business Data Analytics. There's a paper tested on data cleaning. That is question number 19. And the question tested on this Alteryx. Alteryx is an example of A, data management tool, B, data cleaning tool, C, data visualization tool, C, D, data presentation. So thank you for your patience. I'll hope to meet you in our next session, where we continue to study tools for data analytics. Today we focused on data cleaning. In our next session, we study data management. Then we'll move on to data visualization. Thank you. Bye-bye.